I have a GoPro, I have a phone mount, I have other cameras. And I'm looking to get something that's maybe a little bit different than other products on the market. And this is for your GoPro or camera. Comes nicely packaged. And what do you get inside? Let's get a nice close-up look. You get a nice strap that says Sports Gear Ledge Door. It has this little push button that allows you to bring the button tighter. If you need to take this off the unit, you simply just slide up, over, and out. You have this floaty grip that fits on your hand. It's yellow. It's soft. It's comfortable to wear when you're going in the water. You take the loop, you bring it through, and you take the other end, you squeeze it as tight as possible, and you bring this over so you can lock it into place. Once it's on, this should float. It may sink in the water, but it will stay stable in the water. This is aluminum. This is rubber. This is just not a hand grip. If you grab the ends and you start to pull, it opens up to a number of layers. 1, 2, 3. About 24 inches. It has a bell housing. It locks into place. So if you don't want it to open up all the way, you righty-tighty. You lefty-loosey. It holds pretty strong. This is a bell nut. The bell nut may be pushed out. What I like to do to all bell nuts is put a dab of glue, epoxy, so it keeps into place, as well inside over here of the thumb bolts. We unloosen the thumb bolt. We could take our phone, and it fits nicely on there. And what I do is I put my finger behind the bolt, the nut, and all, and I lock it in. And here I have is my smartphone that I can now go out there with different levels and do my reviews, my vlogs. I'll show you what it looks like with the GoPro. This is the GoPro on the grip. Did I mention that this grip's got all these little fingers on there to make it a nice comfortable grip? They give you one of these hiking clamps. So what you do is you simply push it on, locks into place, so if you want it simply hang it on something, you have it as well. So let's go take a sample video to show you what this is all about. I'm ready to vlog. I'm going to pull my stick out, lock it into place, and do my vlog. Hey, I'm Fish, your how-to guy. Enjoy your video vlogging. When all done, I just simply twist, I fold in, I place in my pocket, and off I go. When I'm ready to vlog again, I don't have to pull it out. I could just do it via the hand. Now, you're wondering what these are. If you have a diving case, and these are very important, they will absorb the humidity in your camera. They will take the water away from the lens and keep everything dry. That's what these are for. So if you're looking for one of these kits, for diving, walking around, just doing just about anything with your action camera, this kit will be just right for you. So I hope you enjoy your kit for the GoPro and action cameras on the market.